The monetary policy rate, which is of keen interest to individuals and businesses, does not only signal the rate at which the central bank will lend to commercial banks, it also influences average lending rates on loans to individuals and businesses. The rate was increased by 200 basis points to 19% in May 2022, following the 106th meeting of the Monetary Policy Committee. That was the second time in 12 months that the central bank increased the key rate by 200 basis points or more. With the continuous increase in the inflation rate, stakeholders are concerned that the Monetary Policy Committee will increase the rate again. Latest data from the Ghana Statistical Service shows that prices associated with food, transport and housing pushed the rate of inflation for June to hit 29.8%, a 2.2 percentage point increase compared to the 27.6% recorded in May. The 2.2 percentage points gap is the lowest increase recorded since February, indicating a slowdown in the inflation curve compared to previous months. As the Monetary Policy Committee of the Central Bank commences its 107th regular meetings today, Economist Dr. Patrick Esuming noted that the policy rate is likely to be maintained at 19% by the Bank of Ghana.
On the economy side, you see that since their last meeting, the GDP number has been released, and the growth rate was weaker than we expected. It was certainly weaker than we recorded in the previous year, the same quarter last year. At the same time, you see that the inflation has increased again, but it appears that, the rate of increase in the inflation rate is slightly lower than we recorded before. The governor had expected that there will be some tapering off. Not to say that the rate of inflation will come down, but the rate of increase of the inflation rate was going to slow down. It appears that we're beginning to see that. So if you put these together, I don't expect that the Monetary Policy Committee should increase the interest rate again. I expect that they should keep the rate unchanged. They've increased it over the last two meetings, and we know that the current bout of inflation is not primarily driven by excess demand. It's more like a cost push, supply side. So from where I sit, I expect that they will keep the monetary policy rate unchanged while they observe. Because it's also expected that, with the discussion starting over an IMF program, there might be some fiscal consolidation, additional fiscal consolidation happening. So that should help with the fighting of the inflation. So I don't expect that they will increase the policy rate again.